Think of your car engine as your body, a complex system of moving parts that need constant care. Just as blood is essential for our well-being, engine oil is the lifeblood of your car. Without it, your engine would seize up, leading to costly repairs and even complete engine failure. Engine oil keeps everything running smoothly, reducing friction and wear on all the internal components. Just like our bodies need regular checkups and blood work, your car needs regular oil changes to stay in tip-top shape. Maintaining proper oil levels and ensuring its quality is crucial for the health and longevity of your car's engine. Imagine a network of arteries and veins carrying blood throughout your body. That's what the oil system in your car does. The oil pump, like your heart, circulates oil throughout the engine. As the oil flows, it creates a thin but vital film between moving parts. This lubrication significantly reduces friction, preventing excessive wear and tear. Without this constant lubrication, metal parts would grind against each other, causing heat, damage, and ultimately, engine failure. This smooth operation ensures your engine performs at its best, maximizing its lifespan. Your engine generates a tremendous amount of heat, especially under heavy loads or high speeds. Engine oil plays a critical role in regulating this heat, much like our bodies sweat to cool down. As oil circulates through the engine, it absorbs heat from hot components. This hot oil then travels to cooler areas, like the oil pan, where it dissipates some of the heat. This continuous heat transfer process helps maintain a stable operating temperature for the engine. Proper temperature regulation is vital for the efficient operation and longevity of your engine. Just as our liver filters impurities from our blood, the oil filter plays a crucial role in keeping the engine oil clean. As oil circulates, it picks up dirt, debris, and microscopic metal particles from engine wear. These contaminants, if left unchecked, would act like sandpaper within the engine, accelerating wear and tear. The oil filter traps these harmful particles, preventing them from recirculating and causing damage. Regular oil and filter changes and adding BestLine racing engine oil treatments ensure that your engine stays clean, runs smoothly, and enjoys a long, healthy life.